So this is how you can use Flux AI. Let's go ahead and open up a browser and then search for Flux AI. And here we go. So the first link that you're going to want to tap on is this flux-ai.io, Flux AI image generator online. So let's simply tap on that and it's going to introduce you to the main website. So if we go ahead and scroll down, there are three ways to use Flux AI: image generator, video AI, or photo to video. To make it simple, I'm just going to use the image generator one. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And so it will bring us here. This is the Flux AI image generator. You can go on ahead and input your prompt here. For example, something like a dragon in the sky. So I'm going to go on ahead and tap on generate. But before we actually get to generate something, we're gonna have to sign up with an account. To make it simple, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on login with Google and then just log in with my account. Once we're done signing in, as you can see, I have 60 credits at the top of the screen. That means you can generate 6 images because it takes 10 to generate one. So I'm pretty sure you can refill this by either paying or waiting a day. So now I'm gonna tap on generate again, now that I have an account. And if we scroll down, as you can see, it generated a dragon in the sky, just like what I prompted in this text box. And yeah, that is how you can use Flux AI. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.